We recently sold these green title terraces at number 22 and 20 Raphael Street, Subiaco, and now the same owners have decided to put number 18 Raphael Street on the market. It is a renovator special. My name's Enzo Pagnozzi, the principal of Growth Realty, so let me show you through this property. Follow me. This two-storey terrace was built in 1982 and sits on 193 square metres of land. It has high ceilings on both levels. The ground floor comprises the living area, kitchen, laundry and toilet. The upper level has 3 bedrooms, bathroom and second toilet. The balcony off the main bedroom overlooks the street. There's a large storeroom at the back and access to the carport and car bay is off the rear right of way. This property is a real treat for the renovator and well worth the effort. Being a green title property, there are no issues with strata titles. Any improvements, renovations you wish to do will only require approval from the Subiaco Council. The location is brilliant, close enough to walk to all the shops, cafes and restaurants on Rokeby Road, yet far enough away to enjoy the quiet, peaceful street. There are also many other facilities nearby, including the Subiaco Train Station, primary and senior schools, University of Western Australia and major medical facilities. The owners are committed to selling, which makes this a golden opportunity for you to buy this precious piece of real estate. So don't delay. Call me, Enzo Pagnozzi, on 0411 865 712 or email enzo@growthrealty.com.au. I look forward to seeing you here.